Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking news story. Make sure you're watching till the very end. All right, let's go ahead and get started. And before we get started, make sure to check out the breaking news stories playlist pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box so you can get caught up with all of the other breaking news stories. All right, Kanye West recently did a podcast interview and he revealed that the IRS put a $75 million hold on 4 of his bank accounts, stating that he owes the IRS $50 million. We are going to go over what it means when the IRS put a hold on your bank account and what you can do about it. All right, let's continue. He stated that they originally told him he owed a lot of taxes. It took him 6 hours to find out exactly what a lot meant, and he found out that it was around $50 million that he owed the IRS. He said that he is obviously not the most financially literate person on the planet, and added that he went to several different CFOs involved in his businesses to find out if not paying taxes would be tax evasion. Now, CFO is Chief Financial Officer. It is the corporate title for the person responsible for managing the company's financial operations. The CFO reports directly to the CEO and has substantial input in the company's investments, capital structure, money management, and long-term business strategy. All right, so those are the people he consulted with to find out exactly what it meant, him owing the IRS $50 million. Now, that interview was done on a podcast called Timecast. All right, you can search it and watch the interview for yourself. Kanye West actually left that interview early. He did not like how the interview was going, his interaction with the host of that podcast, and he got up and walked out and left shortly after stating the information about him owing the IRS this money. Now, what is it called when the IRS put a hold on your bank account? It is called a bank levy. All right, when the levy is on a bank account, the Internal Revenue Service revenue code provides a 21-day waiting period for you to comply with the levy. All right, the waiting period is intended to allow the taxpayer to contact the IRS and make arrangements to pay the tax or notify the IRS of errors in the levy. All right, so when the IRS put a hold on your bank account, that is called a levy. And when it is on a bank account, they do give you a 21-day period for you to contact the IRS and either decide to pay, state that the amount is incorrect, or work out some kind of payment plan. Now, the IRS can also put a levy on other things besides bank account. You can have a levy on your property to satisfy a tax debt. It can garnish your wages, take money from your bank or other financial accounts, seize and sell your vehicles, real estate, and personal property. If you receive an IRS bill titled Final Notice of Intent to Levy and a notice of your rights to a hearing, make sure to contact the IRS right away. All right, you may be able to set up a payment plan, settle your tax debt for less than the full amount you owe, or there may be other options such as making tax payments or refer to the collection procedures for taxpayers filing and or paying late, and that is publication 594, the collection process, and you can search that on the irs.gov website. So if you receive a final notice from the IRS to pay, make sure you contact them so you do not get a hold put on your bank account or your property, and so forth. Now, if you receive the IRS final notice of intent to levy, and your right to a hearing, you can also contact the number that will be in that letter, and that number is 1-800-829-1040, or for businesses, you can call 1-800-829-4933. So the notice will have a contact information on there for you to contact the IRS, to call them immediately to try and resolve the issue so you can get your property back or access to your bank account. All right. So make sure to share with us in the comments how you are feeling about this week's breaking news story. All right. And make sure to check out the playlist pin in the comment section, as well as in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most, because I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon.